Another base CAD object that we can draw with the field data addition is the arc. The arc is found on the CAD tab, and it's the arc command here. And just like all the rest of the object, you give it a name, a layer, and an elevation. And then you have different methods for creating the arc. You can do a start, middle, end. So that's basically going to create a 3-point arc. So the first place would be a start point, a middle point, and then an end point. And you'll see that it's going to draw the arc through those points. Now the arc itself can be then modified. You can see here I can change the radius this way. I can move the center point. And then the end points, you can see the grip edit, I can just make it longer or shorter. And if you look at the properties, you can see here that you can change the radius or the start, center, northing and easting, and elevation. Now the other method for creating the arc is the start, center, end. This one's a little bit more challenging because the radius has to equal the distance from the start point to the end point. So what I mean by that is if I start, let's say at let's go 3,000, 3,000. So 3,000, 3,000. And then I want my center point to be 3,500, 3,500. Well, then this one has to be 400 and 4,000, 4,000. Oops. So that my distance is 500 feet either side of the center line. So when I do that and click apply, you'll see that it's drawing that arc at 3,000, 3,000 to 4,000, 4,000, with the center point being in the middle between the two. So it's creating an arc between there, and the center point is this location right here. The other one is the start center start angle. So if I was to pick a center point and then my start line and then do an angle, you'll see that it's going to draw the arc from that start point to the end point and holding that radius. You also have the start end angle. So I can pick a start point and an end point and then change the angle. Okay, so it's kind of a deflection angle. And then the other one is the start and radius. So same with this one is I can pick a start point, and let's go ahead and grab an end point here, and then we'll put in a radius length, this length down here. And you can see you can go left or right. If I click apply, it's going to the to this direction. If I do that same one from here to here with this, and we set it to the right, it's going to draw in that direction. So again, multiple ways to create the arcs depending on what geometry characteristics or needs you have.